Hi everyone. So let me ask you a question. Who wants to know the secret to a strong heart? Well, there's a certain fish that's being called the ultimate superfood for the heart. So I survived a heart attack and heart bypass surgery a couple years ago. The first time I met with my cardiologist, he told me, "You've been given a new lease on life, so don't mess it up." I followed what he told me. I started studying what foods help the heart, which are most helpful. There's a superfood called salmon, and we're going to talk about that today. So let's get started. Have you ever heard of omega-3s? They're really important. They're good for your heart. And the great news is that there's an abundance of omega-3s in salmon. Omega-3s help repair damaged inflammation. They lower triglyceride levels that cause hardening of the arteries. They decrease the risk of abnormal timing of heartbeats. They help maintain the flexibility of your arteries to reduce the strain on the heart. You know, salmon has a potent antioxidant that gives it its pink color. It's a game changer for your heart. Astaxanthin is the antioxidant responsible for salmon's color. It works on keeping arteries healthy. It keeps your arteries from rusting. The real term is oxidation, but you get the idea. And it heals inflammation. Bottom line, this antioxidant protects your heart cells from damage and improves overall heart function. When talking about heart health, I have to mention cholesterol. The body uses cholesterol to help heal inflammation. If you're concerned about cholesterol, salmon might be your secret weapon. Salmon has been linked to increased levels of HDL, the good cholesterol. It also works toward decreasing the levels of LDL, the bad cholesterol. This balance prevents the buildup of plaque in your artery. And this is a good thing because plaque leads to heart attacks and strokes because it makes the heart work overtime. Now, we've talked about the why of salmon, why we should eat it, but how do you get salmon into your diet? Let's talk about it. Salmon is the big part of the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet was recommended to me by my doctor after I had my heart attack and bypass surgery. Getting salmon into your diet might be easier than you think. Pan-fry salmon 4 minutes each side in olive oil and add it to a salad. Aim for 1 to 2 servings per week. When shopping for salmon, look for wild caught. It's the highest in nutrient content. If fresh isn't available, frozen is a great option. Well, we've talked about the powerful omega-3 fatty acids that help protect your heart by helping with inflammation and keep the blood flowing. We've covered a powerful antioxidant that protects your heart cells. And we've talked about how salmon helps with cholesterol. So let's start today. Thanks for watching, and I'd like to ask you to please like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any information that you'd like to share, I'd appreciate a comment. I do look for them. I do respond. So thanks for watching again, and we'll see you in the next video.